Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, because I'd like to start with blocking the number you've got currently saved. Let's find the contact we'd like to block and then tap on block numbers right here, as you can see. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And for some reason I am unable to block this number, but no worries, I'm pretty sure that it will work in your case. So after that you will see this characteristic icon, which means that your device blocked the number. You will be able to unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this option. And the second way of blocking the number requires entering the settings, and you can do it in the contacts, recents or favorites. It does not really matter. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, which is currently empty. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see here, you can simply enter the number manually. You can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, our device will immediately block the number, so we will not receive any calls or messages. What is more, we've got this option unknown. We can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically we can block the calls from all unidentified callers. So it can be useful, but not always. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And if you want to unblock the number, just tap on the X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.